Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Nikita Gunawan. Saya dari kelas 10 IPS 2. Di sini saya akan mengerjakan tugas remedial bahasa Inggris, yaitu membuat storytelling. Di sini saya akan membuat storytelling berjudul Snow White. Long time ago, there lived a beautiful princess in a very bleak palace. She is very beautiful with her blue eyes and long black hair. Her skin is white and smooth. She was called Snow White. She had a stepmother who was always envious of her beauty. Her stepmother was also beautiful, and the magical always said that every day and every time she asked. Mirror on the wall, who is the most beautiful in this world? Her stepmother asked. You are the most beautiful woman in this world, Majesty, the magical mirror answered. One day, the stepmother asked to the magical mirror again. But the answer of the magical mirror made her angry. Mirror on the wall, what is the most beautiful in this world? The stepmother asked. My queen, you are beautiful, but Snow White is more beautiful than you, the magical mirror answered. The stepmother was very angry. Then she asked her servant to bring Snow White to go away from the palace and kill her. The servant did not kill Snow White. He let her go by herself. Please, don't kill me. I will go to the woods and I will not come back again, Snow White begged. Go away, poor princess, the servant said. The servant thought that wild animals would eat her, and letting Snow White made his heart relieved and free from the pressure. In the forest, Snow White was alone and afraid. She did not know where she had to go. But suddenly, she saw a small peculiar cottage. He wondered who lived there, and then she decided to go inside. In the cottage, there are 7 beds and a kitchen. Snow White was very tired, and suddenly she fell asleep. In the afternoon, 7 of the dwarfs who lived in the hut went home. They were surprised to see a young woman there. On the dwarfs rose here and asked what she was. Snow White told them her sad story. The 7 dwarfs also understood her feeling and asked her to stay with them in the cottage. Meanwhile, at the palace, the servant went back and told the stepmother that Snow White had been killed. Then the stepmother asked the magical mirror once again who the most beautiful in the world is, and still magical mirror answered, Snow White, who was living in the small cottage with 7 dwarfs, was the most beautiful. The stepmother was very angry, and he planned something bad for Snow White. Then the stepmother disguised herself as an old woman who sold a bucket of poisonous apples and go to the cottage. In the contest, Snow White was warned not to open the door to strangers by the seven dwarfs. The stepmother finally arrived to the contest and began offering the apples to Snow White. I can open the door and I'll let anyone come in. The seven dwarfs have warned me. Snow White sighed. Okay, I just want to give this apple to you. No, I can't take anything from anyone, Snow White answered. Snow White refused to open the door, but the stepmother continued to persuade. Ultimately, Snow White opened the door and bought an apple, and she ate it. Therefore, Snow White was poisonous with an apple beside him. In the evening, when the seven dwarfs went home, they were surprised. They saw Snow White light on the floor with apple fish and poisonous apple beside her. The seven dwarfs were sad to see Snow White was dying. Then the seven dwarfs decided to make bedding for Snow White that was made of beautiful crystal to make her alive. Every day, seven dwarfs waited for miraculous that when Snow White would be awake. One day, there was a prince of kingdom who saw beautiful woman was laid on the bed of a crystal. He was also asking the dwarfs to what happened, and dwarf told it. Let me have Snow White, and I will give you everything you want, the peasant asked. However, the seven dwarfs refused it. They did not want to be spared with Snow White, even though he would pay by gold in this world. I asked it really with much because I can live without saying Snow White. If you angry, I will bring all of you too. I also take you as my brothers. Finally, the seven dwarfs agreed. Then the priest kissed Snow White to show this invention. Suddenly, Snow White was awake. The fact was that the kiss for the priest broke the evil spell. After that, the priest asked her to get married with him. Snow White said yes. Since that day, Snow White lived in the priest's big palace happily ever after. Sekian storytelling dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.